Hi, I'm Roddy Martin, Vice President of Supply Chain Product Marketing at Oracle. And I have with me Ninja from Oracle Consulting. I'm going to ask him to introduce himself, and then we're going to get into a discussion about deployment models and moving supply chain to the cloud. All very exciting given that we're standing here in the modern supply chain event.
Thanks, Roddy. My name is Ninja Subramanian. I'm with Oracle Consulting. I head up a solution architect group for Oracle Consulting, primarily focused on designing solutions for customers in the cloud supply chain application space.
Good. So what trends are you seeing in deployment models? Because obviously that's what Oracle Consulting is all about. It's about the deployment of our technology from a group that's inside Oracle.
Supply chain management is a prime area for harvesting when customers are planning the journey to the cloud. And when we interact with customers across different industries, what we see in terms of deployment models are in terms of opportunities that exist in specialized domain areas, for example, like logistics, PLM, and warehousing. And what we see is like what we call as the strategy to innovate around the edges. So that's a pretty common model we see as part of customers moving to the cloud. The second model we normally see is people who want to kind of, you want to set up one of the smaller business units or one of the acquired entities. So we normally recommend start that as a prototype, put them on the cloud, and then migrate the parent enterprise into the cloud as well. And then the third type of transformation we see is like customers who are already using our on-prem products. They are establishing a standard around the cloud as a platform of the future, and they are leveraging some of the disruptive technologies that we have to offer and building this solution for the future based on our cloud platform and leveraging the digital trends that we have to offer as Oracle.
That's pretty exciting. Obviously the fact that the business is much more involved in at an earlier stage in a cloud-based deployment of supply chain. So obviously for Oracle Consulting, that means that there's a whole lot of roles we can play in helping them build path to the cloud, design thinking, helping them visualize what the architecture should look like. So what is the role and the vision of Oracle Consulting?
That's a good question, Randy. I mean, Oracle Consulting, we are part of the Oracle ecosystem, and we carry the Oracle brand. So we take pride in specializing and implementing Oracle applications and technology. That's all we live and breathe by. So as part of our strategy, we want to coexist with our partners, putting the best solutions in front of customers. So that's been our overall prerogative that we drive towards. And as part of the journey, we work with partners in the same ecosystem to leverage Oracle technology and applications to the best fit across different industry verticals. So that's been our strategy. And we want to be the best in terms of Oracle expertise because we are part of the Oracle brand.
So that's interesting. I mean, when you think that Carl Breitberg's leading the deployment of Oracle software for our own organization and the hardware we make, does that mean that you also get an opportunity out of your consulting engagements to pick up learnings or to identify improvements that can be made to the software? And because you're inside Oracle, you can actually work with the development organization in quantifying and almost scoping out some of those improvements.
That's again a very valid point, Ronnie, you make, because since we are part of the Oracle ecosystem and we are part of the Oracle parent, we are usually the pioneers in taking some of the emerging technologies. For example, I talked earlier about the digital supply chain applications, and we want to be the leading edge of that, deploy it, and take the learnings from the different customers we work with and share it with the partners for the betterment of the overall Oracle ecosystem. So that's a strategy that we consciously are implementing right now in the field. And supply chain is where with the new release R13 coming out, there's a lot of emerging apps that are coming as part of it. So we want to be in the forefront of it and make our customers successful and capture those learnings and let our partner ecosystem as well as us as a team learn from it.
That's very exciting. So you become embedded in the continuous improvement cycle of our own capabilities, which I think is great. So thank you very much, Ninja. That was a great discussion, and thank you.